Hello, children. Again, I am here with some more passages of Act 1, Scene 3. It's a conversation between Antonio and Shylock, and you can see the line is where Antonio says, I am as like to call thee so again. So, here in this passage, when Antonio approaches Shylock for a loan to satisfy the demand of his friend, Shylock reminds him that he has always treated him badly. Antonio has called him a dog. Now Shylock demands if a dog can lend money. He reminds Antonio that he has come to seek the help of the person whom he has always abused. Antonio is still undeterred in saying that he has not only called Shylock a dog in the past, but he is going to do it again in future. He is not going to change his attitude towards the Jew just because he intends to take a loan from him. It is a question of his personal like or dislike. Taking or giving a loan is a business transaction based on profit making. Now see the lines. I'm as like to call thee so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friends. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? But lend it rather to thine enemy, who, if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. So Antonio says, I will probably call you those names again and spit on you and reject you again too. If you are going to lend us this money, don't lend it to us as if we were your friends. When did friends charge interest? Instead, lend it to me as your enemy. If your enemy goes bankrupt, it is easier for you to take your penalty from him. So Antonio is angry. And he says that beside calling Shylock a dog, he is going to spit on him again. He is likely to kick him again. So Antonio has his own reasons for behaving in this manner. What he thinks that it is immoral to charge any interest on loans given to the needy people. And moreover, if you are giving money to a friend, so you won't charge any interest on it. So Antonio is angry. So Shylock seems to extend the hand of friendship to Antonio. He tries to comfort him by saying that he will love to win Antonio's love. By seeing Antonio angry, now Shylock started thinking, if Antonio will be angry, if he will means move without taking this money as loan, then he will miss this means great opportunity to take revenge from Antonio. So he just changed his tone, and it was a friendship tone. Now see the lines said by Shylock. Why, look you how you storm. I would be friends with you and have your love. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. Supply your present wants and take no doit of usance for my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. So now tone is very much changed. Okay, so what he says that, look, you are talking very angrily. I want to be friendly with you and have your love. I want to forget the shame that you have heaped upon me. I would like to meet your present needs without charging even a penny as interest on my money. So I am making a generous offer. So what he says that I am not going to charge any interest. So he tries to show himself as a friend of Antonio. So, in this way, Shylock makes a surprising offer that he will give the loan without charging any interest on it. So, he seems to be making a generous offer. A hard bargainer like him is willing to give a loan on such terms. But he is not sincere in what he is saying. He is a cunning fellow dealing with a simple person like Antonio.